Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove all downloads on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Spotify, click on your profile icon on the top left and select Settings and Privacy. Once you're on here you should see Data Saving and Offline, so you want to click on there. Then if you scroll down, you should come to Storage, and it should give you the option to remove all downloads, and it'll just let you know remove all the Spotify content you've downloaded to free up space. So all you have to do is select remove, and then again it'll let you know current downloaded content will no longer be available on this device when offline. Then all you have to do is press remove, and that will remove all of your downloaded content. You could also go to your library and then select downloaded on the top of the screen, and obviously you can pick whichever playlist or whatever you want on here. And then you should see a little green and black arrow on here, so you can click on there, and this will give you the option to remove from downloads, and then you can select remove on there as well. So if you want to do it obviously individually on your playlists, you can do it that way also. So that's how you can remove all downloads on Spotify. Thanks for watching.